So there's a big difference between those who sell things and those who think that they know how to make a roof work and those who can actually do it. Now, I don't climb on a lot of roofs anymore because I have a really good team, but it just so happens that a team member has some family things that they're working out, and I'm on this job site. When a contractor's struggling, it's my job. It's my team's job. It's the tech rep's job to be able to put on a set of gloves, show them how the equipment works, show them how the details work. Like, there's a reason why I carry a pair of gloves in everything that I do, because I'm gonna put on a set of gloves and I'm gonna get to work. And I've been helping this contractor and teaching them and training them, not only for video, but to help them become a well-oiled machine for the past 3 hours. And that wasn't my plan today. My plan was to come out and shoot video. There's a difference between those who think that they can do and say that they can do and say they can make a roof work, and those who actually can. When you get WeatherWeld, or you look at WeatherWeld, or you buy WeatherWeld for your building, you get the idea that the guy who represents it, the guy who was in all the videos, and everybody else inside of that organization can do exactly what we're gonna do. We can install this, we can roof this building. I'll physically take that machine like I have to show them and do this entire roof. The reason why is there's 30 years worth of knowledge that's been invested into these contractors, into the tech reps, come from me and my predecessors, in order to make sure that when this contractor installs this roof on this building, that it's gonna last for the lifetime of this building.